My name is Sunday Bada. I am here again to teach you guys how to use text before and regex extract function to extract a particular data from a cell. Now, for example, one of your colleagues send this data to you that you should make these payments to these individual vendors. And it added three information in a cell, in a single cell: the name of the vendor, account number, and the bank name. How do we extract this information so that we can upload this document as account payable manager or account payable officer? Now, the first thing, that if you want to use the flash fee will be confused to extract it because they are not in the same pattern. If you look at all of them. Now, for example, if you look at this, you will see that they are on the same pattern with the delimiter of underscore. But here, there's nothing like that. For example, if I want to use the flash fee to extract vendor name, let me copy this and paste it here. Let me remove the account number and the bank name. Now, if I press Ctrl E to extract the other vendor's name, you see what it gave me. See that it gives me a lot of error. Now, what we are going to use to resolve this issue is to do what? To use text before. Press is equal to text before. Press tab. What is our text? Our text is this. Press comma. The next question it will ask is that what is your delimiter? My delimiter is the space because it's the space that join all these text together. I will first press double dots. I will now press space, and you press double dot again to close it. That's the space. Press comma again. The next thing is going to ask you is that instant number. How many space do you want me to count before I extract the word? Now we have just write Nigeria Limited. We have space 1, space 2. So when you reach space 2, it will now go back to the left to count how many words, which is just write Nigeria. Only 2 space is going to count, space 1, space 2. Now, let's say 2 space. The reason why I selected that is because if I say select 3 instance, for example, we have Okele Restaurants. This company name does not have third word, like maybe Okele Restaurants Enterprise. Is only 2 word, Okele Restaurants. If I select 3 instance, it's going to select this account number, which is 129656. For example, let me close this brackets, select 2. It only selected just right Nigeria Limited because it counts space 1, space 2. That's 2 instance. Now do what? Select backward. Now if I change this to 3, that it should select 3, it's going to select just right Nigeria Limited, which is 3 word, but it's not going to work for the other vendor name. Let me double click. Let's see. You see that it selected 3 words, include this account number. And this one too, Majekodun Enterprise Eco Bank, that's not the name of the vendor we are looking for. Therefore, we are going to select what? Only 2. We are going to select only 2 instance. Type 2, press enter. Now come here, double click. I think this one still look perfect. We can go with this one as the vendor name. The next thing we are going to use now is that we are going to use the account number to extract account number. How do we extract account number? We are going to use regex extract. Press is equal to. Now press tab to select the regex extract. The first question it will ask you, where is your text? This is my text. Click on this text, comma. What is the pattern to extract numbers from a cell? Is this? First press double dot. When you press double dot, click on this arrow, this straight line that look as if it wanted to fall to the left side, not the one that wanted to fall to the right side. You will select the one that wanted to fall to the what? To the left side, this straight line. Then type D and type plus sign and press your double dot again to close and close the brackets. This is the pattern to extract numbers from a cell. Press enter. See that it has extracted this account number. Then double click. If you don't remember this pattern, you can go to the ChatGPT to do what? To give you the pattern to extract number. Even your WhatsApp number goes to the WhatsApp number. You will see AI there to do what? Just say kindly generate pattern that can extract number from a cell, from a cell. It will generate it. It will give you this symbol. If you know that you cannot climb it, for example, let's go to the ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT generates pattern. Let me bold it. Pattern to extract numbers from a cell with the use of regex extract. Now press enter. You see that this is it. This is it. Now the next one, let's go back to how to extract the bank name. This one is very technical. To extract the bank name, what we are going to do is that we are going to, let's go to ChatGPT to generate the list of the bank name in Nigeria. Let me go back to ChatGPT. Okay. Generate list of Nigeria bank name. Just tell ChatGPT to generate the list of Nigeria bank name. Press enter. See, it's generating it. It's generating it. Okay, perfect. Now let's copy this all this bank name. Let's copy it. Let's go back to our Excel. Let's open another sheet. Let's paste it here. Let's paste it here. Okay, good. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to join all these bank names together in a single cell. We are going to join them together. Say test join. Test join. We use test join. It's going to ask you what is the delimiter you want to use to join them together. I want to use this symbol, this arrow that look like a one, like I, capital letter I. Close it by pressing the double dot again, comma. The next question, ignore empty cell. Yes, press tab to select it. The next one, what is your test? Test one, test two. Just highlight everything, copy everything to down and close the bracket, press enter. You see that, yes, we have the formula here, but I don't want the formula to show here. I'm going to remove the formula. How will I remove the formula? Press Ctrl C to copy, press Shift Ctrl V to paste it back. Now you discover that this formula, it has disappeared, showing me the name now. Now this text, I'm going to change it because Access Bank PSC, if you look our text here, Access Bank, we only have Access Bank. We did not see Access Bank PSC here. You understand? Therefore, we are going to do what? We are going to say short, because some bank names, some people, instead of United Bank for Africa, some people use UBA from that test. We are going to use the short one. Just type another one, Access Bank. Type this arrow that look like I again. And in some tests, they use only Zenith Bank. They did not put EXE. Zenith Bank. Let me increase this one. Let me bring it down so that we can see it clearly. Now, bank, Guarantee Trust Bank. From the test, some people, the way they write the test, you see that this one say Guarantee Trust Bank. From the test here, we see, let me see the GT Bank. They didn't write the same way. Therefore, we are going to change, right? We are going to include this one again in case. Now we are going to do what? Write it in short form. Zenith Bank and GT Bank. I mean GT Bank. First Bank, some people write it as FBN. instead of the full name of the First Bank of Nigeria. Let me put it, write this arrow. UBA, some people write it as United UBA instead of United Bank for Africa. Add the UBA in case is either you see United Bank for Africa or you see UBA. Press this one as well. Union Bank, some people write, I think they write it as Union Bank only without writing it full. Wema Bank, Eco Bank, some people write it as Eco Bank. Let me just remove the Nigeria, only that one is okay. Providus, Keystone. Even I'm not seeing the FCMB here. FCMB is not here. Okay, let me add it here because from our question we have FCMB there. FCMB. FCMB. Yeah. I think you are good to go. What else again? I think that's all. Now press enter. We have Polaris. Is there Polaris here? I'm not sure. There's no Polaris here. It didn't give me the Polaris. Okay, Polaris here. This is Polaris Bank. Some people use only Polaris, but Polaris Bank. Let's press enter. Now we are getting there. Now let's go back. I will copy this one. I'll come here, highlight everything, Control C to copy it. Now we have copied it. Let's go back to the sheet 3. How to generate the bank name now. We are going to use REGEXEXTRACT. The first one, press tab. The first question it will ask you that where is your text? Click on this text, comma. The next thing we are going to use the pattern. Now the first thing, the pattern we are going to use, you first press double dots. After the double dots, brackets. You now paste all the bank name that you will copy there from that sheet 5. Paste it here. When you paste it like that, close the bracket again. When you close the bracket again, you press the double dot again. When you press the double dot, because you will start with double dots as we start from here, and you close the bracket and press the double dot again to close it. Then you now close the bracket again, another bracket, and press enter. You see that it generated the bank name. Wherever the bank name, whether in the beginning, in the middle, it will generate it. Double click it. You see this one? Let's investigate why it did not. This one is written as Eco Bank. And what we have here under here is what? Eco Bank. Okay, the reason why it did not select it is that you will discover that this one is small letter. Eco Bank is in small letter, and what we have here, we have Eco Bank in the capital letter B, and Eco Bank B, you only write it in what? In small letter. If you want to change it, you can change it to capital letter B. It will generate it. Now, it has generated it because if it did not see the way it is written here, the regex extra will not extract it. I think that's it. Perfect. You see that all the 3 information we have generated it with the use of the word regex extra. The first one is test before, which is very easy to use. That is it. For instance, if that your colleague now send 200 or 500 rows to you, how do you want to cope? Are you going to be doing it manually by copying the account number, paste it here, the vendor name, paste it here, the bank name, paste it here? You are going to spend the whole day telling your boss that I'm on it, sir, I'm on it, sir. Till when 5 p.m. now tell your boss that, sir, I'll give you the report tomorrow. No, make use of the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your friend. AI is your friend. Now you can even use your WhatsApp. Go to your WhatsApp, mentor AI. In case if you forget the pattern that we use to extract the account number, kindly generate pattern to extract account number from a cell. The mentor AI will give you the what? The pattern. And even the ChatGPT, it will give you the way if you want the list of the bank name, it will just do it. That's all. Very easy to use. Thank you very much. I remain Sunday Bada. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you in my next video. Bye.